Okay, so I'm making my favorite burner. Diapers and alcohol. This is I cut a little bit earlier. So I'm just gonna take a bunch of them and drop it in my can. My favorite, it's 50-50. This is my favorite can, by the way. It's a 16-ounce soup can. You want to fill those stuff in there halfway. Compact them if you have to. And so I'm gonna pause the video and I'm put all the fiber inside, and then I'm going to dump the alcohol in. Okay, so basically I'm just taking these fiber and drop them in there. To save time, I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so this is how much I got. You look inside. I used the whole, probably almost the whole diaper, and this is how much I got in there, and that's what I needed, half of this cup around there. So now I'm just gonna pour this in so I can soak it, and like I suggest is halfway, because you can burn this for a long time. If you really think about it, it's probably gonna last you about over an hour or so, or more, if you do it good enough. So now just let it soak for a while so it can blow up. You can stir them around to make it faster if you want, but it's better to soak it, and during the soaking put a lid on there. So I'm gonna let it soak for a little while so I can add some more. I'm gonna add a little bit more extra because I wanted to blow it up a little bit extra. But that's how you do it. Put a cap over this, or a plastic bag over this, like a Ziploc bag. That way all the stuff doesn't leak out. So that way you can soak it up a little bit right there. I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm gonna pause the camera so we can let it soak. Okay, so I let it soak for a little while, and I move it to a better location. And I actually use this right here. It actually have a magnet on it, so it's actually hold pretty good. Like see that? It goes right in. It's sucked right in. So now I'm gonna look at that. See, has a magnet. So now I'm just gonna light it. And see, that's why this is my favorite, because it comes out really nice. And the flame just like that. I'm going to shut off the light so you can see. See how it looks? I'm gonna pan it out a little bit. See how it looks like? And it's actually, the heat, it's okay for now because I just started. But that's what it looks like. Once it gets hot a little bit, it'll start a little bit better. But that's what it looks like. And that's all you have to do. Quick, easy, simple. And it will sit just like that for a while. My only suggestion to that is to add, in my case I didn't add enough, because probably one diaper will be good. I didn't add it enough, so it's kind of like a little halfway. But if you want a better flame, you have to add it 3/4 of the can. I like it half because it's actually it burns slower. But if you want to burn more, you have to raise it up a little bit. But I like it like this. Anyway, I guess that's about it for this video. Okay, this is the bonus footage in the dark. You can see for a little while. Sometimes though, it'll raise up really high. It's depend, I guess. Either it's windy, but it's not like a steady burn. Because of the nozzle, the opening of it. You're gonna have to experiment around a little bit, but if you want also too the yellow fire too, depending, you can probably do this with like drop this in those Tiki lights, maybe in those fire pit as well. I guess varies usage, and you can actually close this back up and then reuse it next time too. All you do is just refill the alcohol back in again, so it is reusable, which is good about it. Other than that, I guess that's about it.